Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss a very important case in which the assessing officer tried to complete the assessment of a particular assessment year on the basis of findings of special auditor in the special audit report under section 142 subsection 2A for another assessment year. The question before Honorable Madras High Court in the present case through a writ petition was that whether the AO is justified in following the same pattern which is there in the special audit report for a particular year for another assessment year. This issue has been taken up by Honorable Court in the case of World Vision India versus Additional Commissioner of Income Tax, and this case is reported in 472 ITR at page number 564. The date of the judgment is 19th December 2024. In the present case, the assessing officer estimated the gross profit of the assessee based on the findings of the special audit report under section 142 subsection 2A for the assessment year 14-15. The learned assessing officer also disallowed the salary to the staff paid on the ground that the assessee has failed to substantiate the expenses with the documents. When this petition was heard by Madras High Court, the court was of the opinion that when the special audit is being done in the assessment proceedings and which is being recommended by the assessing officer with the consultation of the Principal Commissioner of Income Tax, then that special audit is recommended or is feasible only in case when there is complexity of accounts, when the volume of the accounts is very big, when the assessing officer is in doubt about the correctness of the accounts, and when there is multiplicity of transactions, or in a case where there is specialized nature of business, meaning thereby that in these circumstances the assessing officer with the prior approval of the Principal Commissioner of Income Tax can go for special audit of the assessee for a particular year. The court said that that special audit report relates to a particular year and that special audit report cannot be made a basis to make the additions for the another assessment year. The court said that if this type of addition is done on the basis of the special audit report of some other year, then it will be like making the addition or doing the assessment on a sample basis. The court said that prima facie reliance on the special audit report could not be a basis to conclude similar pattern in another assessment years. The assessing officer was praying the quashment of the assessment proceedings. The court quashed the assessment proceedings and remanded the matter back to the assessing officer to do the fresh assessment by taking the cognizance of the evidences filed by the assessee. And in this remand back matter, the court categorically mentioned that the assessing officer should not be tempted with the special audit report of assessment year 14-15. Friends, from the summary of this case, it is very clear that the approach of the Revenue Department to conclude the assessment of a particular year based on the findings of the special auditor in the special audit report under section 142 subsection 2A cannot be the basis to make the additions for that assessment year. If the assessing officer is in doubt for that particular assessment year, then he can go for the special audit for that year also if the primary conditions are satisfied. But it is not like that the special audit report for a particular year is out and that special audit report is made the basis for making the addition for all the assessment years. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is World Vision India versus Additional Commissioner of Income Tax, and this case is reported in 472 ITR at page number 564. and the date of the judgment is 19th December 2024. Thank you, friends.